Let's have a look at the quizzes section that you'll find on the EzyCourse platform. We'll first of all have a look at question banks. Now, question banks are where you can create literally a bank of questions, and you can have a number of these on your EzyCourse platform. We've got 3 on this site here, but if I go into the first one, you'll see there's just 1 question in that question bank. So to add a new question, I can choose from a range of different options. I can have a question with 1 correct answer, a question that has 1 or more correct answers. I can have a question where users can type in freely. They can type in a word to fill in the blanks, and there's also true and false type questions as well. So you can build up a bank of questions, and these can be banks of questions that are on different topics, for different courses, different products that you've got going, and all that sort of thing. And you can also import questions as well. So on the import questions section, you can actually download a sample CSV file to show you how to lay out your data for your questions, but a quick way of building your question banks in your EzyCourse platform. Now, let me show you where you use those quizzes. So I'm going to go back into this course here. I'm going to edit it. And then at the end of this chapter, let's say we're going to create an end of chapter quiz. So I choose quiz here, end of chapter quiz. Maybe I want to put a description in here. And I can use motivational pop-ups as well, so that there's a nice motivational banner when people have completed the quiz. So I'm going to go ahead and create that and now have a look at the quiz settings. Just here, I can add the questions I want to use from my question banks at the bottom, and then in quiz settings I can change different settings around how the marking works, whether people see the answers, the correct answers after they've completed a question, or maybe at the end of the quiz. I can select what the passing score is going to be, how many retakes somebody is allowed, whether the options are going to be shuffled around each time somebody retakes the quiz. I can even limit the quiz duration, and I can limit the time per question in there as well. So lots of different options, and quizzes are a great way to engage with your students, but also test what they've learned as well, yeah, and see how effective your courses are.